Oh shit.
You didn't even have it recorded.
Here it is. Oh, holy shit, dude, that was fucking huge.
What do you have to say about that, Cade?
Let's keep walking. You get it?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
You didn't even have it fucking recording, dude.
Well, dude, shut up. There it is, right here.
Where? Oh shit, this is...
Toilet bowl cleaner, watch out.
Oh shit.
Aluminum, it's on fire. Well, it was.
Here, grab the bottle.
Oh, dude, it reeks.
Damn. What do you have to say about that, Cade?
Huh?
What do you have to say about that?
We should go, there's a house right there. Like, literally right there.
No. Who cares? Here, we take this. Let's keep walking. It's still recording. That was a smart idea, not having it recording.
Shut up. Well, at least you got the explosion. I want to watch it. Hey. Oh, I got another hand.
That was a big